Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert your photos into a PDF file so you can print it out or whatever you might need it for. And there is no app that we are going to download. The only two apps that we are going to use is the Photos obviously and the Files app. Now let's start by going to the Photos app, and then you're going to hit select and select as much photo as you want. And then you're gonna press this button in the bottom left corner, and then you scroll down a little bit and you hit save to files, and then you're gonna go to, you can select which section you want to move them into. So for this example and video I'm going to move them into on my iPhone, and then I'm going to put them in a new folder so you can find it easily. Create a new folder, and we're gonna name him PDF example. You can name this one whatever you want. I'm just making it so it's obvious for the video. And you're gonna hit save, and now we're going to open the Files app, and this is what your phone will show you in the beginning of opening the app. On my iPhone you hit and PDF example, this one, and you see that the photos have come to the Files app. Now these are not ready PDFs right now, but we're going to hit these three dots in the top right corner, and you're going to hit select and select the photos you want, and these three dots in the bottom, and create PDF. And now the PDF is ready. So we just made three photos into one PDF. Now this is right here. You can see this is the PDF, and it might not be in order, but if you want to make them so it's in order, the order you like, you can rename them, rename the photos that you just moved into the Files app by just pressing the text, and you just gonna give them a number. For example, we're gonna give this one 1 and 2 and number 3. Here we go. I just gave them a number, and now you're gonna select them again for reordering them. So what I'm doing right now is just to make them in an order so it doesn't just randomly pop up, and it's in order. So you're gonna select the ones you want, and the ones that you just gave a number to, and create a PDF. And you see this one, number 1, 2 and 3. This is how you put them in an order, so you don't confuse the page that you have. And that's how you make your photos into a PDF. Thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe for more content.